Day and night, trucks depart, carrying sugar to 6 continents. Each stalk is cut, de-leafed, and chopped into billets, all within seconds of leaving the soil. Inside the processing hall, technology takes over. Automation ensures consistent quality at incredible speed.
Screening removes the coarse impurities, but the juice still contains microscopic mud, wax, and plant matter.
Inside the clarifier, heat and lime work together. Impurities bind with lime particles and rise as foam. For 2 hours, crystals grow. Computer controls ensure every crystal reaches identical size. For industrial customers, sugar flows by the ton, massive bags filled with precision-matching retail packaging accuracy.
Every crystal of sugar begins here, in vast sugarcane fields where nature meets precision.
Modern harvesters can process 60 tons of sugarcane per hour, cutting, stripping, and chopping in one pass.
Each stalk is cut, de-leafed, and chopped into billets, all within seconds of leaving the soil. Fresh sugarcane must reach the factory within 24 hours. Any longer, and sugar content begins to degrade.
The clock starts ticking the moment sugarcane is cut. Speed is essential to preserve sweetness. From field to factory, a carefully orchestrated logistics chain ensures continuous supply.
At the transfer station, sugarcane is weighed and quality checked before the journey continues.
More to the left.
Each truck carries 25 tons of sugarcane, enough to produce 3 tons of pure sugar. The race against time continues. Sugarcane must be processed before natural sugars begin converting to fiber. The unloading yard handles 12,000 tons of sugarcane daily, a continuous flow feeding hungry processing lines. Gravity does the work. Each truck dump delivers 25 tons in under 90 seconds. Below ground, massive conveyors begin the journey. Sugarcane enters the factory's processing labyrinth. The first wash removes field debris, a crucial step before sugarcane meets the crusher. Inside the processing hall, technology takes over. Automation ensures consistent quality at incredible speed. In meets rotating hammers spinning at 600 RPM. Fibrous stalks become pulp in seconds.
This is just the beginning. The real extraction process starts when shredded cane meets the crushing mills. The shredded sugarcane now enters the crushing mills, where 95% of juice will be extracted through pressure alone.
Mill number 1 applies 250 pounds per square inch, crushing sugarcane into compressed mat while extracting the first flood of juice.
As rollers rotate, juice flows freely, the sweet liquid that will become pure sugar crystals.
The extracted juice is 85% water, 15% sugar, but it's contaminated with fiber, mud, and plant debris.
Hot water is added between mills, extracting sugar from fibers that would otherwise be lost.
Each mill increases pressure, squeezing every drop of sugar-rich juice from the fibrous stalks.
By the second mill, most juice is extracted. What remains is bagasse, the fibrous waste that powers the factory itself.
A final hot water rinse ensures no sugar is wasted. Efficiency is measured in fractions of a percent.
Mill 3 extracts the last drops. After this, 95% of sugarcane's juice has been captured. The bagasse isn't wasted. It fuels the factory's boilers, making sugar production energy self-sufficient.
All juice streams unite, thousands of gallons per hour flowing toward the next critical stage, clarification.
The juice journey continues, but before sugar can crystallize, impurities must be removed.
Screening removes the coarse impurities, but the juice still contains microscopic mud, wax, and plant matter.
Every batch is weighed and tested. Precision chemistry requires exact measurements.
Lime is added to neutralize acids and bind impurities, a process perfected over centuries of sugar making.
Inside the clarifier, heat and lime work together. Impurities bind with lime particles and rise as foam.
The clarifier separates what nature won't. Gravity pulls mud down, while foam rises to be skimmed away.
Discharge sequence complete.
Clear juice emerges. 95% of impurities removed. Now the real
Clear juice contains 85% water and only 15% sugar. To make crystals, we must evaporate millions of gallons. The multiple effect evaporator is the factory's engine, using cascading steam to boil water away efficiently.
In the first effect, juice boils at 115 degrees. Steam pressure carefully controlled to prevent sugar degradation.
Violent boiling strips water molecules away, but the energy from this steam isn't wasted.
The genius of multiple effect evaporation. Steam from one vessel heats the next, multiplying energy efficiency.
With each effect, the juice thickens, sugar concentration climbing as water evaporates away.
Between effects, concentration is tested. Precision monitoring ensures perfect sugar formation later.
Temperature drops with each stage. Vacuum conditions allow low temperature boiling, protecting delicate sugar molecules. After 5 stages of evaporation, 85% of water is gone. What remains is concentrated syrup ready for crystallization. Nothing is wasted. Evaporated water is recaptured and reused, making this process remarkably efficient.
Concentrated syrup is stored at precise temperature. Too cool and it crystallizes. Too hot and sugar darkens.
Every batch is tested. Concentration, purity, and color must meet exact standards before crystals can form. The vacuum pan is where magic happens. Precise conditions transform syrup into billions of sugar crystals.
Syrup enters under vacuum, but it won't crystallize without help from seed crystals.
Tiny seed crystals become growing sugar crystals, each one adding layer after layer of pure sucrose.
For 2 hours, crystals grow. Computer controls ensure every crystal reaches identical size.
The strike is complete. Millions of sugar crystals suspended in thick mother liquor, ready for separation.
Pan A1 discharged. Purification is complete, but pure white are still...
The crystal-packed massacrete now faces centrifugal force. 1,200 times the force of gravity will separate sugar from syrup.
12 centrifuges run continuously. Each machine processes 1,500 kilograms of massacate every 3 minutes.
The perforated basket spins at 1,800 RPM. Tiny holes let molasses escape while trapping sugar crystals. In seconds, the basket accelerates to full speed. Centrifugal force drives liquid molasses through microscopic openings.
At peak speed, 1,200 grams of force squeeze molasses away, but the crystals still need washing.
Clean water rinses away the last impurities, transforming brown massacrete into sparkling white sugar crystals.
Clear to discharge.
When the basket stops, pure white sugar waits, ready to fall from the machine in one crystalline mass.
From brown massacrete to brilliant white crystals, the first transformation is complete.
The molasses isn't waste. It still contains 50% sugar and will be reprocessed in second and third strikes.
12 centrifuges work in perfect rhythm. Sugar flows continuously from machines to storage.
Every batch is tested for moisture, color, and purity. Only perfect crystals continue to the dryers.
The factory runs 3 strikes, each one extracting more sugar, producing different grades, from premium white to raw brown.
Bucket elevators lift tons of sugar upward, feeding the dryers where final moisture is removed. Hot air dries sugar to 0.02% moisture. Any more and crystals clump. Any less and they become too dusty. Perfectly dried sugar flows like powder, ready for the final steps: screening and storage. Vibrating screens sort every crystal, ensuring uniform size from the smallest grain to the largest.
Batch cleared for silo.
One final inspection ensures perfection. Every crystal must meet international quality standards.
Pure white sugar fills massive silos. From here it will flow to packaging lines, ready for markets worldwide.
Even premium white sugar can be refined further, removing the last traces of color and impurities for ultra-pure crystals.
Affination washes each crystal. A sugar syrup bath removes colored surface films while keeping crystals intact. The affination crystals emerge cleaner, but for ultra-white sugar, we must go further. Complete dissolution and decolorization. Refined sugar must be melted down. Only as liquid can color molecules be removed from the crystal matrix. Filtration removes particles, but color remains. Dissolved impurities too small for filters require chemical treatment.
Activated carbon strips away color molecules. Amber liquor transforms to crystal clear in minutes. Ion exchange provides the final polish, removing invisible impurities for the purest sugar possible.
Target 75-degree bricks achieved. Concentration optimal.
In the refinery pan, perfection grows. Each crystal pure white, each grain precisely sized.
Triple washed refined crystals emerge brilliant white, the premium sugar that commands top market prices.
Precision drying achieves 0.02% moisture.
Precision screens separate perfection. Only crystals meeting exact size specifications reach premium packaging.
Every refined batch undergoes rigorous testing. Color, purity, and crystal quality must exceed international premium standards. Refined sugar demands dedicated storage. Controlled atmosphere preserves brilliance until it reaches consumers.
In modern refining, nothing is wasted. Even runoff syrup becomes marketable sugar through cascading recovery.
2 types of white sugar, 2 distinct markets. Standard white for everyday use, refined white for premium applications.
Modern sugar refining run on data. Thousands of sensors ensure every crystal meets exacting standards before packaging.
From field to refinery, from brown, brilliant white,
Modern sugar production combines chemistry, engineering. The packaging hall is where perfection meets presentation. 4 lines running simultaneously.
Precision weighing ensures fairness. Every bag contains exactly 1 kilogram, accurate to within half a gram.
Heat-sealed bags lock in freshness, each seal tested, each bag coded for complete traceability from factory to consumer. Metal detectors provide final safety assurance, sensitive enough to find a staple, reliable enough to inspect every bag. Cases form automatically from flat cardboard, precisely shaped, securely glued, ready for loading.
Robotic precision places 10 bags per case, faster than human hands, gentler than human touch.
Each case sealed and labeled, tracked from this moment through distribution, delivery, and sale. Robotic palletizers stack with precision, every case aligned, every pallet identical, ready for global shipping.
Stretch wrap secures each pallet, protecting product from moisture, dust, and damage during worldwide distribution.
For industrial customers, sugar flows by the ton, massive bags filled with precision-matching retail packaging accuracy.
Continuous sampling ensures consistency. Statistical controls catch variations before they became problems.
Random packages face rigorous testing. Only when samples pass do entire batches receive approval for shipment. Every nutritional claim verified by analysis. Label accuracy isn't assumed, it's proven with every batch.
Every bag tells a story, from the field where sugarcane grew to the moment it's packaged, fully traceable.
Modern packaging balances protection with responsibility. Every material choice considering product quality and environmental impact.
One factory, multiple products. From ultra-refined white to natural brown, every grade packaged with precision.
Final approval releases perfection. Only after every test pass, Every check confirms quality.
The automated warehouse is the factory's memory, tracking every pallet, optimizing every space, preparing every order with robotic precision.
AGVs work tirelessly. No breaks, no errors, moving pallets precisely where computers direct them.
High bay storage maximizes space. Where manual warehouses store 1,000 pallets, automation stores 6,500 in the same footprint.
The warehouse management system is the brain, coordinating every movement, tracking every pallet, optimizing every cubic meter of space.
First in, first out. The golden rule, ensuring customers receive the freshest sugar possible.
Automated retrieval assembles orders faster than human pickers. 10 pallets collected from storage in 12 minutes.
Daily cycle counting maintains 99.9% accuracy. Computers track inventory, humans verify. Precise climate control preserves quality. Temperature and humidity monitored at 500 points, automatically adjusted every minute.
Safety systems work invisibly. Fire detection 100 times more sensitive than smoke alarms. Security monitoring every corner, protecting people and product.
Damaged product never ships. Systematic quarantine and inspection, ensuring only perfect packages reach customers.
For industrial giants, sugar flows in bulk, 80 tons loaded in 8 hours, delivered directly to production lines.
Complex orders assemble automatically. Computers coordinate retrieval. Humans verify accuracy. Customers receive complete orders ready for their shelves.
Artificial intelligence predicts tomorrow's demand, optimizing inventory, preventing shortages, minimizing waste through data-driven precision.
Green warehousing reduces impact. Solar power, LED lighting, electric vehicles, and zero waste, making storage sustainable.
Traceability enables protection. In 8 minutes, every affected pallet located and quarantined, customers notified, recall executed precisely. Excellence through measurement. Every metric tracked, every process optimized, continuous improvement driving world-class warehouse performance.
The warehouse never rests, night or day. Systems monitor, equipment moves, orders fulfill, deliver.
16 loading bays work in symphony. Trucks arrive, load, and depart every 30 minutes, distributing sugar across continents. Every truck is tracked from gate to departure.
Automated check-in assigns bays, weighs vehicles, and coordinates loading with precision.
Back up, continue, stop, dock secure, ready for loading.
Precision docking takes seconds, hydraulic levelers bridge the gap, inflatable seals lock in climate control.
Guild operators work like Tetris masters. Every pallet positioned for maximum capacity, optimal weight distribution, and easy unloading.
Load secure.
Double stacking doubles efficiency. 52 pallets, 37 tons, loaded in 4 to 5 minutes, secured against every road condition.
Bay 7 loading complete. Truck ready for departure.
Documentation tests every shipment. Outbound weighing verifies accuracy. Every kilogram accounted for, every load confirmed before leaving factory control.
Export containers travel farther, lined against ocean moisture, packed for maximum efficiency, sealed for international customs. Export paperwork can exceed product weight. 9 documents, 3 languages, perfect accuracy required for customs clearance.
GPS tracking provides omniscience. Every truck monitored, every delay anticipated, every customer kept informed. Multi-stop trucks maximize efficiency. One truck serves 8 stores. Loading sequence determines delivery speed. Organization prevents errors. Safety systems protect every worker. Wheel chocks, dock locks, marked walkways, and a culture where everyone watches everyone else's back.
Direct delivery unit 23 departing.
Last mile delivery reaches every store. From supermarket chains to corner shops, sugar flows through networks large and small.
Algorithms optimize every mile. Software analyzes billions of route combinations, finding the fastest, cheapest, and greenest path for every delivery.
Proper load securement inspection. Drivers are responsible for verifying load stability.
What about the airbags?
Order OR 025, truck 83, 8847. Currently, estimated arrival.
Day and night, trucks depart, carrying sugar to 6 continents, serving.
The laboratory is the final guardian, where every claim is proven, every specification verified,
Every sample tracked from collection to disposal. Chain of custody ensures test results are trustworthy, traceable, and defensible. Moisture content determines shelf life. Too wet and sugar clumps in humidity. Too dry and it creates dust clouds during handling.
Polarimetry 99 measures purity.
Ash testing burns everything away. What remains reveals mineral purity. Just 16 milligrams per kilogram in this refined sugar.
Laser diffraction measures every crystal, median size 0 millimeters, variation less than 0.1 millimeters.
Microbiological testing protects consumers. Sterile technique, sensitive methods, zero tolerance for pathogens, confirming every batch is safe.
Trained taste buds are instruments too. Human sensory panels detect subtleties that machines cannot measure. Sensory evaluation pass, premium quality confirmed.
Heavy metals, non-detect. Parts per billion sensitivity. ICP-MS determinants invisible to all other methods.
Allergen testing protects the vulnerable. Even pure sugar is verified allergen-free. Labels disclose every potential trace.
Stability testing looks into the future. Samples aged for months predict quality years from now, validating shelf life claims.
We found a batch meeting your stricter color requirement. Ready to ship.
Third-party auditors verify claims, confirming compliance with international standards.
Overall compliance excellent. We recommend continued certification.
Environmental testing monitors the invisible. Air, surfaces, and water tested weekly, ensuring hygiene that protects every crystal.
Release requires unanimous approval, quality director, lab manager, production manager, all confirming perfection before sugar leaves factory control.
Batch RW104 records compiled. Production batch record, laboratory testing data.
Frozen. Quality is our competitive advantage. We will continue investing in excellence, serving customers and protecting consumers. Factory.
Your delivery arriving in 30 minutes. Driver Rodriguez calling 10 minutes out.
Thank you for the update. We're ready to receive.
Dispatch coordinates the final miles, real-time tracking.
Arrival at the customer. Security seals prove integrity. Visual inspection confirms quality. Professional handoff begins.
Full acceptance, no discrepancies.
Every pallet counted, every seal checked, every case verified. Customer receiving teams ensure deliveries match orders perfectly.
Delivery confirmation initiated.
Gladly. Everything arrived perfectly.
Electronic proof of delivery closes the loop, instant confirmation, photographic evidence, billing triggered automatically.
Planning some baking?
Yes, making cookies for my daughter's school event. I always use Factory Systems Pro Sugar. Consistent quality.
These turned out perfectly. Sugar quality really matters in baking.
In kitchens worldwide, quality proves itself, turning home bakers into brand ambassadors.
Feedback completes the circle. Every comment monitored, every complaint investigated.
Customer says, best sugar I've used, consistent quality for 10 years.
Sustainability sweetens the story. Renewable energy, zero waste, carbon reduction.
One factory, 6 continents, 47 countries. Every day, Factory Systems Pro Sugar.
Innovation never stops. Artificial intelligence, biodegradable packaging, smart sensors, ensuring factory systems.
72 hours from field to table. 12,000 tons of sugarcane become millions of perfect.
Horse. We're not just making sugar. We're supporting families, feeding communities, sweetening celebrations.
From above, you see the complete picture. 28 hectares, transforming nature's sweetness into...
The numbers tell the story. 85,000 tons, 0 recalls, 47 countries, 15